Let's dance, radiate peace and unity across cultures and nations. Let's connect, let's celebrate. Be part of this movement of unity through dance.
Sarap mabuhay sa ilalim ng nag-iisang mundong makulay.